Hello everyone. So we are discussing previous year questions of the chapter evolution and the topic biological evolution. In today's session we are going to discuss a short answer type question of 3 marks which was asked in the CBSE board 2019. So the question is, Charles Darwin during his famous sea voyage around the world in a ship HMS Beagle concluded that there has been gradual evolution of life. Answer the following questions. A part, what is his theory known as? Explain the salient features of his theory. And B part, name a scientist who arrived at a similar conclusion as that of Charles Darwin. तो बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में हमें बोल रहा है कि चार्ल्स डार्विन ने सी वोएज के दौरान इस कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचे थे कि जो इवोल्यूशन है वो ग्रेजुअल होता है. तो उससे रिलेटेड हमसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछे गए हैं. ए पार्ट में हमसे पूछ रहा है कि उनकी थ्योरी को क्या बोलते हैं और उसको एक्सप्लेन करना है, और बी पार्ट में पूछ रहा है कि उस साइंटिस्ट का नाम बताओ जो सेम कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचे थे. सो लेट्स चेक द आंसर. तो बेटा चार्ल्स डार्विन ने जो थ्योरी दी थी वो थी थ्योरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन, जिसमें उन्होंने बेसिकली ये बोला था जो ऑर्गेनिज्म बेटर अडेप्ट करेगा वो ही सर्वाइव करेगा और उसी का पॉपुलेशन साइज इंक्रीज होगा. ये जो अडेप्टेशन है ये वेरिएशन की वजह से होती है, और जो फिटनेस है वो उन्होंने बोलती थी प्रोडक्टिव फिटनेस. क्लियर बेटा? वो साइंटिस्ट जो सेम कंक्लूजन पे पहुंचे थे वो थे एल्फ्रेड वॉलेस. क्लियर? सो द आंसर इज ए पार्ट. हिज थ्योरी इज नोन एज थ्योरी ऑफ नेचुरल सिलेक्शन based on observations made during a sea voyage in a sail ship called HMS Beagle round the world. Charles Darwin concluded that existing living forms share similarities to varying degrees, not only among themselves but also with life forms that existed millions of years ago. Many such life forms do not exist anymore. There had been extinctions of different life forms in the years gone by, just as new forms of life arose at different periods of history of Earth. There has been gradual evolution of life forms. Any population has built-in variation in characteristics. Those characteristics which enable some to survive better in natural conditions, that is, climate, food, physical factors, etc., would outbreed others that are less endowed to survive under such natural conditions. Another word used is fitness of the individual or population. The fitness, according to Darwin, refers ultimately and only to reproductive fitness. Hence, those who are better fit in an environment leave more progeny than others. These therefore will survive more and hence are selected by nature. He called it natural selection and implied it as a mechanism of evolution. And the B part is Alfred Wallace, a naturalist who worked in Malay archipelago, had also come to similar conclusions around the same time. So I hope this question is clear to you. Thank you.